PlayStation Store Refund 1. Games and add-ons refund window, 14 days from purchase. Condition: eligible only if you haven't started downloading or streaming. If download, stream has started gives no refund unless faulty. 2. In-game consumables includes items like virtual currency, boosts, and one-time use content. Bought outside gameplay, delivered when you next launch the game. You have up to 14 days to cancel if you haven't launched the game. Bought during gameplay, delivered instantly gives no refund unless faulty. 3. Season Pass is refundable within 14 days if you haven't downloaded, streamed included content. If any included add-ons have been downloaded, stream gives no refund unless faulty. 4. Pre-orders cancel anytime before release for a full refund. If purchased within 14 days of release, and release date has passed, gives still eligible for refund within 14 days of payment if not downloaded, streamed. Downloading main content removes refund rights unless faulty. Pre-order bonuses stop working if the pre-order is cancelled. Note: automatic downloads can start without action if enabled. Disable in system settings to avoid this. 5. Promotional bundles refund within 14 days if no part of the bundle has been downloaded, streamed. If any part is used, gives no refund unless faulty. 6. Subscription services e.g. PlayStation Plus cancel within 14 days for a refund, even if started. Refund may be reduced proportionally for time used. If using a free trial, the 14-day period starts when the trial begins. Trial days count towards this. Subscriptions auto-renew. Stop payments in subscription settings to prevent renewal. 7. Wallet top-ups non-refundable. Consent is given for immediate top-up processing. 8. Change of online ID can revert to a previous ID for free. Purchases for ID changes are non-refundable unless faulty. 9. Purchases outside PlayStation Store policy does not apply to. PlayStation Direct purchases separate policy. Gift cards or vouchers bought from other retailers. 10. Good account practices to avoid unwanted purchases. 1. Use passwords, passcodes to secure account access. 2. For children, create separate accounts with parental controls to limit or block spending. 11. How to request a refund. Contact PlayStation support with PSN Online ID. Sign an ID, email, date of birth, name of the purchaser. You customers can also use the online refund form link in purchase confirmation email.